बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching दिल से बातें 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart.
The Proud Peacock, complete story. One day, a peacock danced happily in the forest, showing off his colorful feathers. He felt very proud and thought no one was as beautiful as him. But when he opened his mouth and cried, all the birds laughed at his ugly voice. The peacock became sad. A wise bird told him, "Every blessing comes with a weakness. Be thankful for what you have instead of being proud." Moral: don't let pride blind you. Always be grateful.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.